How to log in into MyHR CVS Portal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Do you guys want to log in into MyHR CVS Employee Portal? If yes, this video is for you. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up a web browser. Any web browser is fine. I am using Google Chrome. After you're on the web browser, simply search for MyHR CVS Employee Portal on the search bar. You can also add login here and then hit enter. After you do that, here you'll find a website by Digital Allied. You can open that website up. So right here, let this page load and it should take you to the login section. So let's wait for this. And while we wait, if you're new to our channel, you can always head down and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So now let's continue. And after you're here, all you have to do is type in your username, whatever your username is, and then a password for your account. Then, if to make your process easier, if you're not sure about the password, tap on show password and you can see if your credentials are correct. Then tap on log on finally and you're logged in into your account. And that's how simple and easy it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.